Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to the Gullus in the kitchen. Today now I am making an easy method of semiya idli, and the other name was an vermicelli idli. It is an easy method to make, and the ingredients are so very low, and it is very healthy too when you are preparing in homemade. And without skipping the breakfast, you can make the semiya idli in just 10 minutes, and it's a ready-made batter also. You can easily prepare, and the ingredients are curd 1 cup, Bombay rava or idli rava half cup, semiya vermicelli raw 1 cup, and this is a South Indian tadaka, oil, and tempering with jeera, black mustard seeds, green chilies, and sliced onions, and little bit of pinch of ginger chop. Fry it nicely and keep it in a side. In this add curry leaves also, and required of salt, and this is an eno powder, and this is ghee for taste and flavor and avoid stickiness also. I am using eno because I don't want to use soda for healthiness. Eno is better than soda. Let's catch my recipes and follow my channel to know more my recipes. First take the mixing bowl, then add rava and semiya vermicelli. Next add curd, then add onions and Indian tadaka, then add little bit of salt, and little bit of oil or ghee, three tablespoons, small spoons. Then add eno. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of eno, and soak the batter for minimum 15 to 30 minutes. For best semiya idli recipe, follow this tip, and don't make the hurry burry in 5 minutes or 10 minutes. It will cracks, or you can get another shape. And whisk it nicely, and make like an idli batter. Check the consistency, and I am adding a little water, like a dosha batter, how it's looks texture. Now add little bit of water, then mix it again, and add little bit of water, and check the batter consistency. And it is very easy to make. You can also see how much easy. check the batter. It's perfectly alright. And keep it in a side for minimum 30 minutes. Take the idli pan, wipe it nicely with cloth, then add oil for avoid stickiness. You can add ghee also. Coat it like this. I am adding ghee for flavor and for avoid stickiness also. Brush it like this and keep it in a side and wait for 30 minutes. Now batter is done. Check the dosa batter with tadaka and all. Same like idli batter only. And soak it for 30 minutes and set it in these molds. And you can add vegetables, carrot, beans, anything what you like, and you can add dry fruits also for healthy diet. And put full set it like this. Set it like this because you added onions, green chili, so set it nicely. Then heat the idli pan, then keep it in a stove. The idli steaming is on hot. Then keep the battered plate and set it for 8 minutes and check it and leave it for 5 minutes. Finally, the semiya idli is over. Now I'm checking. You can switch off the flame. Check like this. It's over. Wow. You can see semiya idli. Wow, semiya idli is over. See the texture, how it came, and it's coming a ginger flavor because of small chops, fine chops, and I am now demolding. Finally, the steamed idli is over. Now I'm tasting. You can see how perfect it is. When I am removing, it came easily. And apply the grease when you're putting the batter. See how soft it is. It's coming in ginger flavor because of I am adding in ginger, finely chopped ginger. You can add with karam and chili powder, with salt also, with ghee flavor. Thanks for watching.